Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at how to turn on search privacy on Pinterest. So let's say you have a Pinterest account and you want to hide the search from the others seeing it, from it being public knowledge. How do you do it? It's quite simple. First thing you need to do is, as usual, sign into your Pinterest account with your credentials, and then from the home menu click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click on view profile, then click on edit profile, and then you can see profile visibility by the left. Click on profile visibility and then you can see search privacy and you turn it on. Now if you hide your profile, it will hide your profile and bots from search engines. It will take several weeks for search engines to remove your profile and bots from search results, but you can speed up the process with Google using their online tool. I understand. And then that's it, and you click on save. It's as simple as that. That is how to turn on search privacy, which will help you hide your profile and bots from search engines like Google. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.